So, dear students, welcome to this video lecture on writing scientific article and research process. So, first, let us try to understand what is a scientific article. A scientific article is a written document of research findings by research scholars and scientists. It is generally considered as a primary source and is written for other researchers. The most recent article contains the most recent work in the field with reference to previously published works in the field of study. Scientific article is also known as scientific paper or journal article. It is published in some periodicals or journals which have some specific themes. A scientific article has a definite format. Scientific article written and scientific article writing and research work are linked. Both have separate steps which have to be followed systematically, and as the scientific article is the written findings of the research work, so the research work has to be done prior to writing scientific article. Let's try to know what is the steps or what is the process of doing research. As you can see in this slide, the first step of research work is observation, identification of a problem. Suppose you observe agitation against online class. Then the research question in your mind arises. Why students want face-to-face interaction with the teacher? Then to question the question and to prove that the lack to face-to-face interaction in online mode is the cause of agitation against online class. You have to do literature review. You have to collect different theories on the importance of face-to-face interaction in the teaching learning process. Then you have to make a hypothesis thinking that the lack of face-to-face interaction in online mode is the cause of agitation against online class. Then you have to do the experiments, you have to collect the data to prove your hypothesis which you have made. Then based on the collection of data and analysis, you have to do data analysis, and by doing this you have to draw a result and discussion and finally the conclusion. So this is the research process in any field we follow. Then you can see the format of a scientific article. It has a definite uh, pattern. You can see it contains title, author, address, abstract, keywords, introduction, material and method, result and discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, then references. But when you have to write your article, confusion arises where to start, which point should come first. Therefore, I am suggesting when you have to write an article after performing your experiment, you have to follow these procedures. First, prepare the figures and tables, write the methods, write up the results, write the discussion, finalize the result and discussion before writing the introduction. This is because if the discussion is insufficient, how can you objectively demonstrate the scientific significance of your work? In the introduction, write a clear conclusion, write a compelling introduction, write the abstract in about 250 words, compose a concise and descriptive title, select keywords for indexing, write the acknowledgement. You have to acknowledge the people who have helped you in performing your research work. Then write up the references. There are different methods of writing references, and it also depends in which journal you want to publish your article. So it is now your article is ready and you can go for publication. Thank you.